Hi students, good morning. Let us continue our next topic. In our last class we studied about the beginning of caliphate, and I told the Khalifa or caliphs were the successors of Prophet Muhammad. We studied, and after the last of that Prophet Muhammad's successors we studied that his own clan, that is known as Quraysh, the tribal group of the belongs to Prophet Muhammad, and continued by the dynasty Umayyad dynasty. We studied in our last class. This is whatever happened under the period of the Umayyad dynasty and whatever the contributions given by them, the changes happened there in the Arabic region and all, like that way points want to study about the Umayyad dynasty. This period actually between 632 to 660 BCE, and after Prophet Muhammad's death there were the three important caliphs were there. Concentrate the names of the three important caliphs after the death of Prophet Muhammad. They were Abu Bakr, Oman and Osman. Once again, after Prophet Muhammad's death there arose three important persons as the caliphs or the caliphs. They were Abu Bakr, Oman and Osman. They all ruled from Medina. Then the caliphate shifted to Kufa near ancient Babylon. We studied Babylon. Last year we studied related as the Egyptian civilization and all, Babylon, Mesopotamian and those regions we studied this place Babylon, and they all ruled from Medina, and it's the part of ancient Babylon. And after the assassination of Omar in 644 CE, the Umayyads, this dynasty, the Umayyad dynasty, they succeeded the caliphate and remained in power till the period of 750. And during this period, the Islamic conquests were checked, and it was tested by the spread. It was actually checked. They could not penetrate further into Europe. There arose a dispute of succession between the Umayyads and the Abbasid dynasty, the two most important dynasties. Next, also we want to study Abbasid dynasty. Among that, the Umayyads controlled over these region, this Arabic region. They controlled under their power. The Umayyads made the changes happened during their time. They made Damascus as their capital instead of Medina. Before Medina was we studied, it was the territory, means Medina, and importance of Mecca we studied, and Medina, the Islam or the Muslims, they decided that the Medina as their administrative capital and Mecca as their religious center. Last class we studied. Based on that way this much time they followed, but this Umayyad dynasty or the rulers of the Umayyad dynasty, they changed the capital from Medina to Damascus. Remember that one. Damascus is the new capital they followed. And during this period, the Arab Empire extended from Afghanistan, Balochistan and most of the Central Asia in the east to Morocco in North Africa. Also, they built beautiful cities like Baghdad. Heard about Baghdad, Cairo, and also Damascus. These are the important beautiful cities and important cities made by this dynasty, Umayyad, the rulers of Umayyad dynasty. The important cities and beautiful cities are Baghdad, Cairo and Damascus. Also, they encouraged industry, agriculture, trade and commerce. Everything became flourished during their period. All this made the empire prosperous. The empire became more prosperous because of agriculture, industry, trade, commerce. Everything became more powerful and everything became developed under their control, under their rule, under the Umayyad dynasty's rule. That's why the dynasty under the region become more powerful and more prosperous. Remember, during the reign of Abd al-Malik, one of the ruler of Umayyad dynasty, and his successors, both the Arab and Islamic identities were strongly emphasized, and he made Arabic or Arabi the language of administration. Remember, from there onwards the language, Arab language, become more powerful. Also, he replaced the earlier coins which were copies of Byzantine and Iranian coins and got Arabic inscriptions struck on the gold dinar and silver dirham coins. He inscripted these Arabic letters in the gold dinar and silver dirham coins. The previous coins, whatever they used, everything changed by Abd al-Malik and his successors. Also, he constructed a monument, greatest monument and a beautiful monument that is called as the Dome of the Rock. It is situating at Jerusalem. We studied the most important holy place of three categories of religious believers, that is believing by the Christians, Muslims and also Jewish. Jerusalem as the holy place of these three categories or three groups. Remember here this Abd al-Malik, he constructed a greatest monument. Its name is known as Dome of the Rock. The picture is given there. We can see the picture. This monument is associated with the night journey of the Prophet to heaven, otherwise known as Miraj. Prophet's journey means related as the stories related as Prophet Muhammad. He constructed, and some of the things it is recited there inside this dome, means based on the commemoration of or related as this or associated as this stories of Prophet Muhammad. He constructed this monument as Dome of the Rock. Remember, these are the contributions of the Umayyad dynasty. Umayyad dynasty, concentrate whatever the points I wrote in the board. These are the contributions. The points only want to remember. Also, the three important caliphs name want to remember after the death of Prophet Muhammad. They were Abu Bakr, Oman and Osman. These question answers are there also. I will attach this paragraph with the question answers also with the video class. Anyway, read the textbook. After watching the video, read the textbook carefully, and next live session we can discuss any doubts are there, or in between that if you have any doubt, please contact me personally. Okay, thank you.